Hello, in today's video we will cover Replikant's character creator. One way to create a character is by using the photo mode. To do this, go to the photo tab, and then click load photo from file to upload a photo that you have saved on your computer. Next, adjust all these settings as needed. Once you are satisfied with the photo and the settings, click generate. A character will be created based on your photo and settings. Replikant comes with many presets, and you can choose which part of the preset you want to use. For example, you can toggle on and off the body, the clothing, the hair, attachments, and poses. Let's just change the outfit on our character. And as you can see, the clothing adjusts to match the size of the character that it is being put onto. The details panel gives you a bit of a breakdown about the character. You could have their name, you could give them personality, and you could also adjust the blend shapes and lip sync modifiers. Attach lets you add various hats, glasses, and other props to your character. Once added, they can be adjusted or deleted if you decide you don't want them. In the Facial Shapes menu, you can select up to 3 different faces to blend between to create a unique look. You can switch from a variety of cartoony faces, more natural faces, fantasy faces, animal faces, etc. In the Body Shape menu, there are a multitude of sliders to adjust so that you can create the exact look you want. You can also go to the Proportions tab to create more cartoony body shapes. There are some presets to choose from, or you can make your own custom proportions. In the Paint menu, you can add makeup, tattoos, and body paint to your character. You can control what part of the body is painted, and even create layers so that you can stack effects. You also have the ability to adjust textures, and you can even upload your own textures. There are a few different styles of hair to choose from. First, there are stylized meshes. Then, we have card-based hair. And finally, we have grooms. Grooms have the most physics and can have the most impact on the FPS. You could always turn the simulation off to combat this while you're working. In addition to hair, you could also add facial hair and fur. Most fur options work with the clothing. Similar to the grooms, you can enable and disable simulation on the fur and facial hair. Now let's talk about clothing. Each clothing item has a few texture presets that you can choose from. You can also choose your own custom texture option. Many of the clothing items also have a variety of adjustment sliders you can use to help them better fit your avatar. Over time, DLCs will be adding even more assets to choose from. Next, let's talk about masks. The masks are all additive and they can be applied to specific parts of the body. And that's it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.